Alright, I'm going to show you how to put your Apple Watch, this is Series 6, into your reserve mode. What you want to do is take your finger and slide it up. And where you see the power at 81%, click on it. And you just slide right here, power reserve, slide. And it says power reserve prolongs battery life by turning off all features except the current time. To exit power reserve, press and hold the side button. So we're going to hit proceed. And there you go. That's what you will see when you're in the reserve mode, power mode. You won't see nothing else. And it'll go off, and to get it to come back on, to get the clock to come on, you push it, and it takes like 2 or 3 seconds, and it'll pop on. Let's try that again. Push it, 2 or 3 seconds. The time should pop up. There you go. Alright, if you want to take it off the power reserve mode, you push this button and hold it for about 8 to 10 seconds. You ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There you go. You let it sit there. And this part right here, it'll sit on this Apple part right here. It'll stay on for about, I'd say 30 seconds. But 30 seconds seems like a long time, so we're not going to edit this video. We're just going to put it right here and wait till it pop back on. So we're still waiting. I think about 10 or 15 seconds have already passed, and it's still trying to come on. And you might think something wrong with it, but it's not. You have to just wait your time out, which is about 30 seconds. There you go. And we enter our passcode, and it's out of the power reserve mode. So if this video helped, subscribe to my channel, and thank you, and have a great day.